All right, happy Monday. You guys made it to the right place. So, your assignment for independent work this Monday is to finish the mystery sound activity that we started last class. So, what you guys are going to do, you're going to take out your science notebook, open up to page 1 where we had the What's That Sound activity started. I have the video posted in this folder here for What's That Sound. And what you guys are going to do is you're going to listen to each of the sounds. There's 22 in total. Write down your observations. Was it loud, soft, high-pitched? And then write down your inference. What do you think was causing that sound? Okay. Once you're done with that whole data table, you've written down your observations and inferences for all 22 sounds. You're going to take a picture of it and upload it. And that is your assignment. Okay? We're grading to see if you finished the data table. We're not grading you based on how many sounds you guessed correctly. Okay? It's just completion. And that's it. Our office hours are from 8:15 to 11 a.m. today if you have any questions. And that's all I got. Bye.